Want to listen to music on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can enjoy your favorite songs right from your wrist with or without your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to listen to music on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Using Apple Music. To do that, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Go to Music, and then choose what to sync. Step 2. Using other music app. There are so many other music apps like Spotify and Pandora that also allow you to download music to your watch for offline listening. Suppose I'm going to select Spotify. First, I need to set up this app on my iPhone. To do that, open up the Watch app on the iPhone. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Make sure to install Spotify. Now open the Spotify app on the watch. Tap on the play icon, and the music is playing on your iPhone. Step 3. Using Bluetooth headphones or speakers. To listen, you'll need to connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers to your Apple Watch to hear it. To do that, go to Settings on your Apple Watch, scroll down, tap Bluetooth, make sure to toggle it on. Now simply connect your AirPods. And there you have it. This is how you can listen to your music on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.